Did you know that TRX training can transform your body awareness in just a few sessions? This game-changing workout method is revolutionizing how people connect with their muscles. Meet Sarah, who discovered that TRX suspension training wasn't just another workout. It became her gateway to total body control. By engaging core stabilizers through simple bodyweight exercises, TRX forces your body to maintain balance while building strength. The constant tension from the straps activates deep muscles that traditional workouts often miss, leading to enhanced kinesthetic awareness and improved posture. The best part? You don't need an expensive gym membership to see results. By combining TRX sessions with free recovery techniques like strategic static stretching and proper hydration, anyone can maximize their training benefits. These simple recovery methods help muscles adapt and grow stronger without additional cost. Ready to experience the power of suspended workouts? Share your biggest fitness challenge below, and let's discover how TRX can work for you.